Unlock the full potential of advanced AI processing with Deepseek's R1 model. And let's dive into how you can seamlessly integrate it into your workflow. Our journey begins with understanding what the R1 model represents within the Deepseek ecosystem. Think of it as Deepseek's high-performance engine, specifically designed for complex and demanding AI computations. To begin, locate and select the R1 model within your Deepseek environment. This is usually a straightforward process within the model selection or project setup phase. Once selected, the power of R1 is at your fingertips. The next crucial step involves understanding its practical applications. For instance, if you're working on advanced text generation, R1 excels at producing highly coherent and contextually relevant content, far beyond conventional models. Similarly, for intricate sentiment analysis tasks, R1 can decipher subtle emotional cues and nuances in vast datasets, leading to more accurate and insightful results. This makes it ideal for market research, customer feedback analysis, and even social media monitoring. Beyond text, R1's capabilities extend to areas like code completion and debugging, offering developers sophisticated assistance by predicting complex code structures and identifying potential errors with greater precision. This significantly accelerates the development cycle. To truly optimize R1's performance, effective integration is key. Deepseek's architecture is built to facilitate this, allowing R1 to work harmoniously with other tools and modules. Ensure your data is pre-processed appropriately for R1's specific input requirements, and consider fine-tuning parameters based on your task's specific needs for maximum efficiency. By following these steps, you'll be well-equipped to leverage the R1 model within Deepseek, transforming your AI projects with its enhanced capabilities and ensuring a smooth, effective integration into your existing AI ecosystem.